Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of wooden car models. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a hobbyist looking for a fun project, I'm here to guide you through the entire process, from design to finish. Let's get started. First, let's talk about inspiration. The beauty of wooden car models is that you can create anything from classic vintage cars to sleek modern vehicles. Here are some ideas to spark your creativity. Classic cars. Think of iconic models like the Ford Model T or the Chevrolet Corvette. These designs often have elegant curves and distinctive shapes. Race cars. For a sportier look, consider creating a race car with a low profile and vibrant colors. Adding details like a spoiler or racing stripes can really make it pop. Concept cars. Let your imagination run wild. Design a futuristic car that reflects your vision of what vehicles might look like in the future. You can also personalize a car based on your favorite brands or styles, perhaps a classic Volkswagen Beetle or a rugged off-road vehicle. Once you've chosen your inspiration, sketch out your design. This doesn't have to be perfect, just get your ideas down on paper. Think about dimensions, curves, and any unique features you want to include. Now, let's gather our materials and tools. Here's what you'll need. Wood. Choose a type of wood that suits your project. Plywood is affordable and easy to work with, while hardwoods like oak or maple provide durability and a beautiful finish. Dowels for axles. You'll need wooden dowels or rods for the wheels and axles. Adhesives. Wood glue is essential for assembling your model, and you may want some clamps to hold everything in place while it dries. Finishing supplies. Don't forget sandpaper, paint or stain, and a clear finish to protect your creation. Regarding tools, you'll want a saw for cutting the wood, a drill for making holes for the wheels, and a sander for smoothing out edges. Safety gear, like goggles and a mask, is also a must. With your materials ready, let's start cutting the wood. Carefully follow your design, taking your time to ensure accuracy. Make sure to wear safety goggles while cutting. If you're using a jigsaw or scroll saw, let the tool do the work, and don't rush the process. After cutting the main body, use a sander to smooth out rough edges. This step is crucial for achieving a polished look. Next, we'll assemble the car model. Start by drilling holes for the axles in the body of the car. Insert the wooden dowels for the axles and attach the wheels. Ensure they spin freely for a functional model. Painting, use acrylic paints or wood stains to add color. You can go for a classic look with deep reds and blues or something bold and modern, add features like headlights, taillights, and even decals. You can use small pieces of wood or other materials to create these elements. A clear coat will protect your paint and give the model a nice shine. Choose between matte or glossy finishes based on your preference. Once you've finished painting and detailing, let your model dry completely. Then, showcase your masterpiece. Look at how this wooden car model turned out. It's a great conversation starter and an impressive addition to your collection. Thank you for joining me on this woodworking adventure. Building a wooden car model is a rewarding project that combines creativity and craftsmanship. I hope this guide inspires you to create your own unique designs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more woodworking projects, and share your own car models in the comments below. Happy woodworking, and see you next time.